Hey, what's up? K Brook here. And if you want to know how I went from looking like a flop to looking like curls on pop, shine, don't stop, ooh, she hot, then stay tuned. Well, the first thing you need to do is recognize that you have a problem, and I recognize that my hair was really dry. So today I'm going to go in with some Aunt Jackie soft all over multi-purpose oil, and it's enriched with flaxseed, coconut oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, grapeseed, and ginseng. And you guys, you can use this on your hair and your body. So today I decided to do a hot oil treatment. So in a minute you'll see me sticking the oil, the bottle with the oil in it, in some hot water just to get it up, heated up a little bit. And then I'm going to rub it all over my hair and put on a plastic cap for about 10 minutes. And no, I did not rinse out the oil. I just wanted to let it marinate up in there. So yeah. Rub it in, rub it in. Oh yeah. And today I'm going for kind of a faux hawk type of look. So I just wanted to show you guys how I sectioned off my hair. I didn't want to braid it on camera because I'm not that great of a braider and I didn't want to put myself on a spot like that. But I did braid those sides that I have sectioned off. So, bow. I'm about to show y'all how I did the front. Now, as you can see, my hair had no definition whatsoever. That is my natural texture, y'all. So I'm going to wet my hair up. Brush it through a little bit, just get a little bit detangled and smoothened or whatever. And then I'm going to go in with my Aunt Jackie's flaxseed recipe, Don't Shriek flaxseed elongating curl gel, and it's enriched with flaxseed and wheat protein. And y'all, this is a really lightweight gel that gives my hair like a real soft, nice little feel. You know, I like this gel, whatever. So, you know, I'm just going to smooth it on my hair and detangle with a fine tooth comb. And then I'm just going to go through and do some like real loose type finger coils. Like, I'm not going to really coil it up to give that dread look, but I'm just going for like a soft, fluffy curl type of look. So I'll be back when I am finished. Y'all see that last curl just wasn't acting right, but I ended up getting it together and we went from looking tragic to on point. All right, so let me know how you feel about this video and I really hope that you enjoyed it. All right, bye bye.